We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the 2025 Music Boxing Machine for Adults and Kids by LOLBOX. This smart Bluetooth boxing training equipment is designed to offer an engaging and effective workout experience at home, office, or gym settings. The product comes with a music boxing pad, boxing gloves, a Type-C charging cable, Velcro tapes for mounting, and clear product instructions. It is made from durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene plastic and weighs just over 3 pounds, making it compact and easy to handle. One of the most praised features is its versatility. Users appreciate the multiple speed options and dynamic lighting effects that make workouts stimulating and fun. The machine's advanced sound system delivers superior audio quality, allowing users to stream their favorite music via Bluetooth. This feature enhances the workout experience by combining cardio exercise with enjoyable music, which is especially motivating for children and competitive users. The built-in counter tracks every punch, providing real-time feedback that encourages improvement and engagement. The setup process is straightforward, with adjustable Velcro straps enabling easy wall mounting without the need for extra accessories. Some users noted that the included sticky tape for mounting was not always reliable on certain wall surfaces, but this was easily remedied by using heavy-duty tape or Velcro strips. The compact size allows it to fit well in small spaces, making it ideal for home gyms or offices where space is limited. The gloves included are of high quality and fit well with the boxing pad, providing a realistic and comfortable punching experience. This makes the machine suitable for all skill levels, from beginners to more experienced users. Parents have found it particularly useful for introducing children to boxing, helping them develop confidence, coordination, and stress relief through a healthy outlet. The light-up guidance system directs users where to punch, and the sensors are highly responsive, registering hits without requiring excessive force. Many users have shared positive experiences about how the machine helps children stay active, especially those who are otherwise drawn to screen time. It encourages physical exercise in a fun and interactive way. Adults also find it an excellent tool for cardio workouts and stress management. The combination of music, lights, and performance tracking creates an immersive environment that keeps users motivated. The product's design and packaging have been noted for quality and care, with minimal damage during shipping. The machine's aesthetics, in dark black plastic, are sleek and modern, fitting well into various environments. The 2-year warranty provides additional peace of mind regarding durability and customer support. Some minor drawbacks include the initial mounting challenges on certain wall types and the machine's size being slightly smaller than some users expected. However, these issues do not significantly detract from the overall positive reception. Customer service has been responsive in addressing mounting issues by providing replacements when needed. In summary, the 2025 Music Boxing Machine by LOLBOX is a well-rounded product that combines fitness, fun, and technology. It is highly recommended for families looking to encourage physical activity in children, individuals seeking a convenient home workout solution, and anyone interested in a smart, interactive boxing experience. The Bluetooth connectivity, responsive sensors, and engaging light and sound features set this product apart from other boxing training equipment on the market. We encourage viewers who own this product to leave their own reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description and using it supports the channel.